Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore the missing toolbar in TradingView in 2026. So if you are interested in purchasing TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you will get TradingView subscriptions at up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. Only 3 days left, so if you are interested, make sure that you hurry and explore the offers. And yeah, in order to restore the missing toolbar, simply come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here you just have to launch the chart in front of you. Now in order to get the toolbar panel over here in the left hand side, you need to understand that the trading view interface typically has two main sections. The first is the toolbar, which is going to be appeared over here in the right hand section. Then we have this chart on which we are going to apply these tools. So here, in order to restore the toolbar settings, simply click on your profile icon here on the top. Over here you will see the option of drawings panel. So when you click on this particular toggle, you will see that now after clicking on it, it is now showing me all of the tools that I can basically use here on the chart. Now here it is going to show up over here. So you can click on any of the tools that are available. If there are some of the tools that you frequently use, you can just simply mark them as star and it is going to show something like this. So these are the tools that I frequently use and that's why I have marked star to these. Now this will be very quick for you to basically use these tools. So this way basically you can use the toolbar section here in TradingView. You can restore the settings. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.